iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Welcome to the second last weekend of the Premier Soccer League season. Of course, there's a Nedbank Cup still coming. Of course, Orlando Pirates might go to the final of the CAF Confederations Cup, and Bafana will play their AFCON qualifiers for 2023 in June. So there won't be football, or there won't be a complete lack of football. There will be matches and matches and matches and different competitions. But in the league, it's the second last games of the season. Sundowns, Stellenbosch. Nothing much to fight for on the side of Sundowns, just for pride, really. What is your feeling coming to this game, sir?
Mr. Kunjani mfethu?
Yes, sir. Mr. Tso.
Ngibulisa wena, ngibulisa uJunior, ngibulisa uJustice, ngibulisa uDrake. Ngibulisa nana emakhaya. Cela support nje iDiskiTV. Zobe nje benjalo kuchiki futhi.
You were trending.
Mfethu yangisukela mfethu. Mina ngikho kuma social media ngazi bathi ngenzeni.
Thabiso Mosia, SAFM.
Oh yes. Yeah, Mr. Nkewu. Yeah, man, it was lokuleyo moment leyo Mr. Nkewu.
Njengoba uma ukora ku Chiefs ushaya lezi. Kanti yazi deep down ukuthi you are hurting yourself too.
No, actually yazi bathi lo mntana akho lo mthandayo. Uyo lo mdiscipline kakhulu ukuthi laba abanye babona ukuthi no, naye lo yamthanda mara yamdiscipline. So bengenza kanjalo ke lapha ku Chiefs ukuthi I love them but I want you to do the right thing. So,
yeah, if you haven't seen that, just check on social media. There, it was trending, really. A lot of people reported it. Thabiso Mosia, of course, put it up. SAFM, a lot of other channels as well on news content, on digital, trended. That's all. Was a big Kaizer Chiefs fan. But of course, we keep it moving. Sundowns, Stellenbosch Football Club.
Young Kulego is going to be a tough one because Stellenbosch always give Sundowns a problem, and yes, Sundowns Balo Bayashobati they wanna keep create a record every game. They go out there, they work. I mean, but they know against Stellenbosch they will need also to work. I mean, if you've got to Prisa La Payana, Abo Mendita, Abo Banungambi La Payana. Those guys. No, Kona no, Dingba. Sorry. Dingba, yes. Yeah. Judas. Yabona la muntu leyana bangafonela abanye abantu ngeke ngishikama kodwa bafonela abanye abantu bambuze ngaye uhlala bakora njalo. But Nkululeko is going to be a very tough one. Stellenbosch they always give Sundowns the problem. But Sundowns will always be Sundowns.
Right, so your prediction?
Sundowns will win.
Okay, very quickly, Sekhukhune, Kaizer Chiefs. There's so many matches tomorrow. There's even relegation battles that are playing, but of course we can only squeeze in whatever we want to squeeze in. Yeah, Sekhukhune, Kaizer Chiefs. Your feeling about it?
Yeah, I think Chiefs they've got a confidence now, even though
Can we look at the girls? Sorry. Let's just take a moment and admire the ladies.
This is God created this, so it's important that you need to appreciate. So there's nothing wrong about looking.
They look beautiful, and I know you appreciate Tswana women.
Yeah, because Tswana women, I've got a wife, so my wife she's Tswana, so I always appreciate.
Okay, Chiefs, Sekhukhune.
Yeah, Chiefs they I would say they've got confidence. They've won the previous game, and then the last one now against Sundowns, of which it was there for them to take the 3 points, and it didn't happen. And I remember we had I would say a discussion or an argument or whatever I would put it to you guys to say, look, yes, Chiefs they're not doing well. They'll look for the ball. Sundowns they're a good team, but they've got those moments where they can do something right, and it happens with the equalizing goal. It happens with the penalty. Unfortunately, it didn't go in, and I think the confidence is gonna come, but they've got a lot that they need to do in the team.
All right, your prediction?
Look, let me just give it a draw because I just feel sorry for both teams.
Yeah, can I tell you how I feel so about this game?
Yeah.
I don't see Sekhukhune beating Chiefs,
Yeah.
which is not the same thing as saying Chiefs will win, but it's just that having seen that team so many times, maybe they could be motivated to do well, but I've looked for quality in that team. I don't see them beating Chiefs tomorrow.
Kulego, sometimes when we talk about being motivated for a game, there's two things. or either the coach shows you guys what he believes in you and what you're doing is good, and then now you've got that confidence of saying, you know, you're gonna do it. Or players themselves, they tell themselves to say, individual to say, look, we're gonna play against Chiefs. I need to be at my best, and I'm gonna go there and make sure that I do my best.
All right, Tso Vilakazi Junior, all of your kids look like you. Apparently, he was playing a game of football today. How are you, boy? Ukraine?
Yes, I'm Ken.
What language do you speak?
Zulu.
Okay, udlala kanjani namhlanje?
Ngidlale kahle.
Udlala kiphi position?
Striker.
Mara ukoranga namhlanje.
Yeah, being nakurai because being open.
Yeah.
So bang pasang ball.
Yeah, but you had a good game?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys won?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, ne?
Yes.
Tada. All of your boys are strikers.
Yeah, you know, Kulego, the problem is it's one thing that also confused people. And even some coaches, when they came to Pirates, they decided to play me as a striker. I said, no, I'm not a striker. I'm a midfield. Then I come from deep, then I can score. But when you put me there, it's so difficult because I play. Yeah, I mean, there's a man marking, there's a man behind my back. So I can't play with somebody here in my back, and my movement is so limited. But in the midfield, so my kids, I think they've seen me scoring. Then they're like, no, I want to be a striker. And yeah, man.
Yeah, just a recap of your prediction against Chiefs Sekhukhune.
Yeah, Ngulego, you know, both teams for me, I think it's going to be a draw because nothing much really from the, you know, Chiefs, when they play against teams like this, they can't rise to the occasion to say, no, man, maybe it's a small team, let's hammer them. You know, they find it very difficult, you know. And then it was Sekhukhune, they're not in good balance, and
sure.
There's, you know, maybe you can count one player that you think can do something for Sekhukhune, but overall for me now, if it's not a draw, Chiefs will win.
All right, there you go. I don't see Sekhukhune winning this one, but of course, stranger things happen in football. Quickly, Ahly Tripoli, Orlando Pirates. You were upset with Pirates and how they played, but they came away from home with 2 goals. I don't see them losing this one. What do you see on Sunday?
Yeah, Nkulega, I was very upset because, you know, football, Nkulega, always say it's something else. You know, today you win 5, tomorrow you can do 6. You know, and one thing that I was not happy about was we can see these people, they are not really in the standard, really, that they can, you know, beat Pirates. But also Pirates, they don't even show that, look, we far better than you guys. We can beat 2, 5, 6, 7. You know, those are the things that I was looking at. You know, looking at double paper, we're supposed to bank goals. You know, when you play against teams like that, you need to hammer them. But, you know, yes.
For Sunday, prediction?
Yeah, for Sunday, definitely Pirates, they need to win. And yeah, they're gonna win.
Right.
They're gonna win.
Okay, there you go. WSP.co.za. That's where you put your money and all your bets for this weekend. Good luck and enjoy the weekend at iDiskiTV, Tiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.